Meet the NOMATIC backpack, the most functional backpack ever. Don't think so? Keep watching. Creating the most functional everyday bag was a daunting task. We surveyed thousands of customers to see which features were the most important. After a year of testing and 10 prototypes later, we are confident we have designed the perfect everyday bag. The exterior of this pack is made with strong, water-resistant YKK zippers and tarpaulin material that will last forever. Our patent-pending strap design allows you to switch between briefcase and backpack. Simply tuck the straps behind the back panel and snap them down to carry like a briefcase when you need to look a little more professional. Or pop the straps out and carry like a backpack when you are on the move. The back panel will also slide over a roller luggage handle to make traveling with wheels a little more seamless. A full perimeter zipper gives you access from all sides and a full view of the inside for better visibility and packing. The NOMATIC backpack has 20 pockets all designed with purpose. A quick access fleece pocket for valuables, multiple mesh elastic pockets, RFID blocking unlockable security pocket, a removable hard protective shell for glasses, multiple mesh zipper pockets, a notebook pocket, and a hidden pocket for important items like cash or passport. Basically, whatever you're carrying, this bag has a spot for it. We've also included cord pass-through holes between all compartments to allow you to charge seamlessly on the move. Our innovative water bottle pocket is magnetic. It expands when you need the space and snaps shut and looks sleek when not in use. Next, we added a retractable key leash. Easily lock up with one hand and your key effortlessly returns to its pocket in the bag. To keep you visible in the dark, we have used reflective ink on the front and back of the bag. The NOMATIC backpack now comes with a built-in back panel that has a place for a tablet, papers, and pockets to organize your cords and other tech. When you need to carry a bit more, our expansion system takes the bag from 20 to 24 liters. The laptop compartment is safely surrounded by foam that is designed to hold a 15-inch laptop comfortably. We have spent countless hours perfecting this bag and are so excited to share it with you. All NOMATIC products are backed by our NOMATIC lifetime warranty. This bag can help you look professional or help you escape the demands of your profession. We can't wait to see how the NOMATIC backpack will help you live life on the move.
The Farpoint 40 adds a compact size to the popular Farpoint series, ensuring carry-on compliance on most any flight. Like all of the Farpoint bags, the Farpoint 40 has a zip-away suspension available in 2 torso sizes for excellent fit. The light wire frame provides flexible load support, while the spacer mesh back panel provides comfortable cushioning and ventilation. Padded low-profile shoulder straps and hip belt offer excellent fit and support. The adjustable sternum strap includes a rescue whistle. The dual front compression straps keep the load stable, while the padded top and side handles make for comfortable carrying. Lockable sliders on the main compartment zipper open to an easily accessible main compartment where 2 internal compression straps hold contents secure. Inside the large front zip pocket, you will find a laptop sleeve that accommodates up to a 15.4-inch or 39-centimeter laptop, along with a padded e-reader or tablet pocket. The front zip pocket keeps small items handy and includes a key fob. Dual front mesh pockets are ideal for water bottles, snacks, or other items. Travelers looking for a carry-on size pack that is lightweight yet full-featured will appreciate the Farpoint 40. Osprey Packs. Pack your passion, go!
This is the all-new Everyday Backpack by Peak Design. A pack versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. Instant access from the top that's quiet, one-handed, and secure, and full access from each side. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protected and keeps things in place. There's a place for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to fit more? No problem. There's built-in expansion inside and outside, so you can always carry one more thing. Now in its 2nd generation, the all-new Everyday Backpack is more ergonomic, more durable, more sustainable, and more aesthetically clean than ever before, with the same thoughtful details that make it our most popular bag. The Everyday Backpack. Versatile everyday carry by Peak Design.
Right now we're going to be going through the feature set of the Herschel Supply Pop Quiz Backpack. The pop quiz was in our first ever season of bags. And again, it sort of maintains that classic timeless style that Herschel's known for. But again, we wanted to modernize it. We have that white waterproof zip on the front that gives you a really nice classic yet modern look. It's made out of the durable 600 denier polyester. The polyester is also coated on the other side to make it water resistant. As you turn the bag around, again, we wanted to have that really nice, clean, classic lines of the strap, although we wanted to have extra features such as air mesh straps here, so it's really nice, light, and breathable. It also gives you really nice cushioning if you're carrying a little bit heavier of a load. Internally on the top, we have this sort of hidden zipper right here that allows you to stow away your sunglasses, and it has a nice fleecy soft liner in there to make sure that you can even run them without a case inside. As we look for the external pockets of this bag, you're gonna have two large compartments here. So one that's gonna be accessed from this main zipper here. As we flip this down, you're also gonna have full organizer pockets. We have a pocket in the back that you could stow something like your passport, as well as you have Velcro closed pockets here, zipped pockets, as well as pen holder pockets there. We also have the key clip here, so if you're leaving your apartment, your house, or you're boarding a plane, you have a spot that you can securely fasten your key. So whether you've been on a trip for a week and you're coming back looking for your car keys, or you're scouring around your bag looking for keys for your apartment, you always know where they're at. As we look into some of the internal details of the pop quiz, we also have the padded up to 15-inch computer sleeve. So your computer is safely stowed on the back panel of the bag, and it holds up to a 15-inch computer. This computer we're using here today is a 13, so it gives you ample room for 13 or 15-inch computers. And again, that really nice soft fleece, so it's gonna help protect everything, your devices and your technology from scratching as it comes in and out of the bag. Internally, you'll also find a media pocket or just an extra stowage pocket on the side, so you can quickly and easily put in a phone, or if you wanted to keep something safe like your wallet and or pens or stationery, it's also a nice pocket for that. You do have an external port here as well, so if you did want to run an MP3 player on your phone inside your bag and have a headphone port exit right there, you do have that ability for it to come out there as well. So if you wanted to keep your phone or again your MP3 player safe inside your pocket. As you zip up the bag here as well, it has a nice storm flap that sort of hides your zipper, so if there is any rain or a drizzle coming down, it does help keep water away from the zipper. It again has that simplistic, timeless, classic styling, all from the exterior celebrating that classic design, so it has that really nice nostalgic look with that little hint of modern, as well as you're gonna have a nice reinforced base. So with all those feature sets, it makes the pop quiz a perfect bag whether you're going on a trip, you're heading to school, or you're heading to work. It gives you lots of ample features and a modern, classic design.